crafters, this is Trendy Tube. Today I'm gonna show you birthday greeting card. Come on, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: chart paper, pattern sheet, glitter sheet, scissor, foam tape, color pens, ruler, punched border, pencil, ribbon, punching machine, gold color stones, pearl stones, glue, zigzag scissor. First, take a chart of 32 cm and make lines on 16 cm, 16 cm and a diagonal line. Then crease it with the help of the ruler. After creasing the line, you need to fold the diagonal line with the end of the chart. After folding, it will look like this. Add a pattern sheet on the front side. If you don't have a pattern sheet, then add a chart of contrasting color. Then I am adding some tags and sediments which are all handmade. Then I am adding some punched border. This step is totally optional. You can make it and stick it out. Then I am taking two pieces of hard pattern sheets which measures 10 cm. And I am cutting it into half and then sticking it with the help of a glue. You need to stick on the diagonal line. This is a small card which measures 10 by 10 cm and the pattern sheet measures 4.5 by 4.5 cm. Totally you need two cards. I am sticking it with the help of a glue. Then I'm gonna add some sediments which are totally handmade, something special for you and to cheer you. And I'm also adding some tags on this side and some more sediments. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. It would mean a lot for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.